Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Welcome back. It is time to finish up the build of the Lego Friends Mia's house. We got halfway through this and then it was time for a break. But now we're going to finish it off and see what else goes into this, how many more cool details we're going to see. And I can guarantee there are a lot because we have barely only just finished the bottom floor. In fact, we haven't even quite finished the bottom floor. So let's do that. We left the last part of the build with Anne and Angus sitting on the couch, and now we need to just do something else. Well, actually, this is quite significant. You may have noticed that in the kitchen there is not anywhere to sit to eat. It's there's actually not even very much room. So this is going to be the dining area, and this little part here with the table is currently detachable. We're sitting Mia down here. There's 3 chairs at the table. There is a plate, and there is a big chunk of cheese and some juice. Looks like they are, oh, hold on, that's really close to Mia's face, and a cup and a freshly baked loaf of bread or a breadstick. Looks like they might be preparing for lunch. We're up to bag number 4, but before we open that up, this can go, well, because it doesn't actually attach, you can use it here for the actual dining table, or you can swing it around and use it for a picnic table out the front, or take it into the forest for a nice place to hang out and have a meal in the forest. But I think I'm actually going to attach this to the house separately later, so I'm going to do that, I think. All right, let's continue on. So bag number 4, we put a little bit of the next floor on up here, and now we get to build the whole second floor of the house. So far we have got a kitchen and a living area and a dining room. So obviously we're going to need a bathroom, and those tiles kind of look like they're going to be the bathroom. Over here we've got some more smooth pieces, and this smooth piece has got some little paw prints on it. Some little Twister's obviously been out playing in the mud, and Twister has left some paw prints up here on what I think is a mat. I'm going to assume it's the mat. So we've got a mat, and we've got I think it's going to be the bathroom. Let's have a look in close and let's build. So we have a lever, and we have got now a toilet happening. Very nice and simple. And on this brick here, we've got the toilet paper. It's very, very important. So that's sunk into a little alcove in that sticker. And here we have a sink with a smooth front on it, and we need the tap obviously so we can tell, and this is such a tiny little bathroom. That's really cute, but I am concerned because I'm not seeing anywhere for them to actually shower or actually bath. Maybe they go and bath in the creek behind the house. Maybe they bath in the well. Maybe that's what the well is for. Or maybe we'll actually build a shower or a bath soon. I don't know. Let's actually keep building. Though we have built in the bathroom so far. So unless it's an external bathtub and shower, I don't know quite where it's going to be. We now have got another beautiful door. The sticker that it didn't go on straight, but now it's straight. I fixed you. That's such a cute door. Now it goes up here on the second level. It matches, in fact, I think it's almost directly above the one downstairs. We've got all these little outward facing studs. So there's going to be some decoration on the front here, but I don't know what it is yet. And I've done something wrong because that's not going to fit properly. There was this 3-piece that I need to fit on here. So I actually need to move this all back. I put that on the wrong spot. Now it's right. Now this is all gonna fit better. I'm glad I picked that up before we got too far along. And some more windows. And it looks like we have made... oh, we got some hooks up here. We've actually made a little veranda-y thing up here on the second level. That's cute. And this is a little tiny birdhouse. How adorable is that? They really love nature, this family, obviously. And let me see. I don't know what this is. It's very smooth. And it's the paneling. So this is what's going to go on those outward-facing studs. It's the paneling with little flower boxes, except for that one, which is also not planted on. Some of them are blooming, some of them aren't blooming yet. That happens all the time. Some more windows here, and we have definitely made a little veranda area. This is really exciting. We're up to bag number 5, and we've got a bathroom. And we have a veranda, and we need a railing out here. Otherwise, people will just walk off the edge and fall down, and that would be incredibly unsafe. So a railing is on now. That looks great. Mia is going to check it out. She's safe. And there's a beehive. They've got their own beehive, and it's hanging down here next to the front door. Well, that will keep the door knockers away. No one's gonna come and try and sell them random things at the front door because they can sick the bees on them. Go bees! Send those people away. I might install a beehive out the front of my front door. Once again, I might not. Actually, here in Australia, we have native bees which don't sting. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Probably about the only thing in Australia, the animals that won't kill you, but the native bees are beautiful. And we have the normal bees as well. Okay, back to concentrating on the build. We've now got a large amount of window there on the front, a little frame on the side, and well, this is all starting to take some very interesting shape because I'm not certain what's going on now. We are making a trapdoor. Is this going to be a trapdoor? Looks suspiciously like a trapdoor. I wouldn't put anything past Mia. Oh, now this is looking like something else. This is a great idea. I think I know what this is. But I'm not going to say too soon because just in case I'm wrong, which happens a lot. Do you know, are you shouting it at the screen? You're going, Ellie, it's a climbing wall. How cool is that? Like a rock climbing wall up the side of their house. This is like we have in the Darlingtons build in the little triplets house. There's a climbing wall up the side there too. It's not quite as tricky as this one because this one has got a secret entryway into what I think is going to be Mia's room. Here is some shelving on the sticker. She's got a boomerang and a globe and a llama picture and a cactus and some books, all sorts of random stuff on her shelves, including some roller skates. Oh, can we not, can you take, she obviously needs a bit more practice. No, not out here. No, not on the railing. Right, I'm taking these off you. I'm confiscating them and putting them back where they belong. Yes, you can just stand there quietly for now because, hello, we're building. We're not fiddling with the roller skates. We've got lots of things to do, including make your room. So is this going to be the bed? Let me see, because her bed is going to, no, hold on, that's in the wrong spot. Let's remove that. This set does come with a brick separator, which is that orange thing that you just saw. And this does not look like a bed at all, unless Mia likes sleeping on a desk, which she might do. She probably doesn't care too much for comfort. She's got a letter on there with a mug, and this, kind of stationed off to the side weirdly, is the chair for the desk. Well, she's obviously not going to sit here very comfortably. We can move it around and sit it at the desk if she wants to do her homework, or we can just swing it back here. There must be a reason why it's sitting off to the side. I think it's going to have to do with some more things that we're going to build. And tucked in here, along the hall, is a hallway table, a little skinny hallway table with some drawers and a nice little flower on it, just to decorate things up in this hallway space. This is really cute. That is such a cute way to get into Mia's room. And they can go up the stairs and go directly into Mia's room. And this mat here actually matches the one down in the living area. And that's going to be a light. That's a light underneath and a random box. So let's see. This goes up here to extend her room floor space. She's got a mat on the floor there, and in the random box is a helmet that she should be wearing when she goes up that rock wall. I bet she won't. She could also wear it riding, so that will be handy. I did mention in the first part of the build, when we met her horse, that she really should be riding. Now, I have a random piece of greenery left over, but I cannot find where it might belong, so I think it might just be an extra piece in the set. We're up to bag number 6, and we still have not seen a bed yet for Mia, so we are heading up. So I suspect she's going to have a loft bed up in the attic, maybe. Is how it's looking, because there's no room left downstairs anymore. We've got a cute little window there, and this here, ta-da, is Mia's bed. Oh, that's cute. That looks really comfy. Oh, so she sleeps up here under the eaves. There's a ladder to be able to climb. That's why the desk chair wasn't in closer, so that it's out of the way of the ladder and gets secured in, not by that. What's going up here? We've got a bit of a railing here so she doesn't fall out in her sleep, because that would be tragic. This here, oh, this is what holds the ladder piece all in place. A little cushion for Twister. There, so Twister can sleep up here too. And a lamp, that's important. Going to need a little lamp up there, but it gets dark. Though there is a window right next to her. And a matching one along here. Now, we need to build up the roof line to make it all pointy like a chalet. Because that's kind of the style of this little rustic house that Mia lives in. That's quite a big rustic-y house to blend in with the forest theme. Looks fantastic all the way up to the pointy bits. And over here, so pointy. And on those little out-facing studs, there's a little bit of wood grain detail. Just underneath the window there and over there. And now we have got, are these some more window boxes? They're taking shape like the other window boxes did. Ah, there we go. I'll make these two before we head up and install them. So some shutters for the windows, some purple shutters. There's big splashes of colour on this. So a nice big window box under the window in Mia's room and some shutters as well. That's pretty. That's really pretty. All right, we are not quite done yet, even though I think we've done most of the internal work. Now the roof needs its proper points. And this is kind of like we see on the Lego Elves builds to make those pointy roofs more interesting. Yeah, so we install these like that. So that's one side, and they do come open, but you don't need to open them up because you don't need to access anything under them. Now we need now all the ones for the other side. One over here. So now the weather will not actually attack Mia from above, and it's all done. This is the whole of Emma's house with the little detachable dining area and the well and the place for Metzi to hang out. And from the front we can now see that the stairs go up to the second story, so there's an external entrance from the stairs as well as the downstairs entrance. So Mia can just go straight upstairs to her bedroom. That's pretty cool. All right, her dad is in here baking something and Mia is come home on Metzi and she's coming in through her own private entrance because didn't we just discuss the fact that there are stairs she could be going up? Metzi would also like to come in this way, but Metzi does not fit. So Metzi needs to pop off and go over and where she belongs. So Mia has just run into her mum, who has also reminded her that there are perfectly good stairs that she could be using to get into her room and that it's time to feed the animals. So off they go. They're heading out down the veranda we just built. Come on, Mia. Come on, Mia. No, Mia, do not balance precariously on the veranda. That's right, that's it. Good work, Anne. Bring her downstairs so that we can do some animal feeding. Oh, they're so cute. I knew there were more carrots for a reason. Carrots for everybody, for Twister and for Metzi, and for humans in the family. Angus has been baking, but oh, dun dun, this one is a fail. Look at this roll, this bread roll. It is as hard as a brick. But Mia has a plan for this. They can't eat this one for lunch, so maybe take it out. Actually, where is she taking it? To the well? Mia, that is it's not a wishing well. You cannot put it in there and make a wish. So maybe your second plan is a better idea, which is what? Oh, to feed it to Metzi. Metzi will love this. Num, 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 num. Is it delicious? Oh, hold on. Even Metzi won't eat that. Oh, my goodness me. All right, so maybe, where are we going now? Upstairs. You could put it out for the birds. Although I suspect it will be still sitting on that windowsill like an uneaten brick tomorrow. We could check in and see. But it's time for the rest of the family to sit down and have their lunch with the breadstick that did work out. But who is this? Who is this mystery person coming in the door? It's Daniel, Mia's big brother. He is home from college for the weekend. But yes, he is totally miffed. And do you know why? Well, I think you've guessed. It's because he doesn't even have a room in their house. I mean, if he'd moved out, the parents probably have changed his room into an exercise room eventually anyway. But he doesn't even have one, and neither do Mia's parents. So you know I am going to have to fix that very, very soon. I will make a room for Daniel. I will make a room for Mia's parents. Poor things, they don't even have a bed to sleep in. In fact, Mia, and Twister are the only ones with a bed in this entire house. Well, Mia looks smug and happy and comfortable while her parents sleep on the couch and Daniel well, I don't know, he sleeps on the hallway runner, or on the stairs, or in the well. He really needs a room. So I will build it. Now, if you would like to see that build and many more, please make sure that you have subscribed and clicked the little notification bell so you can see when new videos go up. Check out some of my other videos while you wait for a new one, because there are so many good Lego builds and so many cool fun things to watch. And I will see you with a new video very, very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye!